Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge. In today's video, we're diving into the world of fitness and empowerment, where we'll show you how to create a personalized workout plan tailored to your unique needs and preferences. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, understanding the fundamentals of crafting a workout routine that aligns with your goals is key to achieving lasting success. We all have different fitness objectives, time constraints, and exercise preferences, and that's why a one-size-fits-all approach rarely works. So, join us as we embark on this empowering journey to design a workout plan that not only helps you reach your fitness goals but also makes you look forward to every sweat session. Let's get started. 1. Assess your goals. The first crucial step in creating a personalized workout plan is to assess your fitness goals. Before you jump into any exercise routine, take a moment to clearly define what you want to achieve. Are you aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, improved cardiovascular health, increased flexibility, or something else entirely? Understanding your goals is like setting a destination on your fitness journey. It gives you a clear sense of direction and purpose. Additionally, consider setting both short-term and long-term goals to help you stay motivated and track your progress along the way. Remember, your fitness journey is unique to you, so take the time to visualize your aspirations and use them as the driving force behind your personalized workout plan. 2. Determine your fitness level. Once you've established your fitness goals, the next crucial step is to determine your current fitness level. This self-assessment serves as a starting point on your fitness journey. It's important to be honest with yourself about your current physical condition. Assess your strength, endurance, flexibility, and overall fitness. Ask yourself questions like, how many push-ups or sit-ups can I do? Or, how far can I comfortably run or walk? This self-awareness not only helps you gauge your starting point but also allows you to choose appropriate exercises and set realistic expectations. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and knowing where you are now will help you make steady progress toward your fitness goals. 3. Consider your preferences. Your fitness journey should not only be effective but also enjoyable, and that's where considering your personal preferences comes into play. Think about the types of exercises and activities that resonate with you. Do you find solace in yoga's gentle stretches, or do you prefer the exhilaration of high-intensity interval training, HIIT? Would you rather work out at a gym, or do you thrive in the comfort of your own home? By aligning your fitness plan with your preferences, you're more likely to stay motivated and committed in the long run. Your fitness journey is uniquely yours, so choose activities that not only help you reach your goals but also make you look forward to every workout session. Embrace what you love, and you'll find that staying active becomes a rewarding and sustainable part of your lifestyle. 4. Select the right types of exercises. When crafting your personalized workout plan, selecting the right types of exercises is crucial. Your choice of exercises should align with your fitness goals. For instance, if you're aiming for muscle gain, incorporating strength training exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses into your routine is essential. On the other hand, if weight loss is your primary goal, cardiovascular exercises such as running, cycling, or swimming can be highly effective. Additionally, consider including flexibility and mobility exercises to maintain joint health and prevent injuries. Your workout plan should be a well-rounded mix of exercises that not only target your objectives but also keep you engaged and challenged. Tailoring your routine to your specific goals ensures that you're making the most out of your workouts and maximizing your progress. 5. Set a realistic schedule. Setting a realistic schedule is a cornerstone of a successful personalized workout plan. While enthusiasm is great, it's equally important to be practical about the time you can commit to exercise. Consider your daily routine, work commitments, family responsibilities, and any other obligations. Aim for a workout schedule that fits seamlessly into your life. Remember that consistency is key in fitness, so it's better to have a manageable routine you can stick to rather than an overly ambitious plan that leads to burnout. Whether it's a few short workouts each week or longer sessions on specific days, your schedule should be sustainable and adaptable. Building a consistent habit over time is what will lead to lasting results, so find a rhythm that works for you, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. 6. Nutrition. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in any effective personalized workout plan. Your body needs the right fuel to perform optimally during workouts, recover effectively, and achieve your fitness goals. Consider your diet as a complement to your exercise routine. Focus on a balanced and nutritious intake that includes a variety of whole foods such as lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Pre-workout nutrition should provide the energy you need, while post-workout nutrition aids in recovery and muscle repair. Staying adequately hydrated is also crucial for overall performance. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition, as dietary needs can vary widely depending on your fitness goals and personal preferences. Consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist can help you tailor your diet to your specific needs and enhance the effectiveness of your personalized workout plan. 7. Motivation and consistency. Motivation and consistency are the cornerstones of a successful fitness journey. While setting goals and creating a personalized workout plan are essential, staying motivated and consistent is what will carry you through to achieve those goals. It's natural to experience fluctuations in motivation, but there are strategies to keep that flame alive. Find what inspires you, whether it's tracking your progress, working out with a friend, or visualizing your fitness goals. Use these motivators as fuel for your workouts. Additionally, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem, and acknowledge that setbacks happen to everyone. The key is to keep going, even when the going gets tough. Consistency is the magic ingredient that transforms your personalized plan from a series of workouts into a sustainable lifestyle. So, build a routine that you genuinely enjoy, hold yourself accountable, and remember that every workout brings you one step closer to your goals. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and you'll see the rewards of your dedication in the long run. As we conclude this guide to creating a personalized workout plan tailored to your unique needs and preferences, remember that your fitness journey is a personal adventure. You now have the tools to set clear goals, assess your fitness level, align your workouts with your preferences, and maintain motivation and consistency. Your journey towards a healthier, happier you starts with taking that first step. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to show your support by clicking the like button below. For more valuable fitness tips, workout routines, and wellness content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Additionally, you can find additional resources and links in the video description to aid you on your fitness journey. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to being part of your ongoing fitness success story.